Alright guys, what's up, man? So today, this is my first video. I'm gonna really try this YouTube stuff. And I mean, I'm pretty sure this camera ain't gonna have good quality, but you know, we gonna make it do what it do. But today, I'm installing new gear joystick, solid. They're not really solid, but polyurethane. I think these are like 80 or 90A, not sure. But yeah, those are going on the E36 outside. I just got tags for it, so yeah, that's gonna be the little video for today. Hopefully I could, you know, come to y'all with some more content, some more videos. I got an E30 and I got an E39. E30 got an M50 in it. Turns over, can't get it to start, burning my ECU. Like, the ECU gets real hot. I got another ECU, but I don't want to burn that one, so I'm trying to narrow down my problem. I checked my wiring like a whole bunch of times. I might be wrong because there's not a lot of wiring diagrams online for that. So I'm going to try to get that started today if I can. Alright guys, so I'm back. Fucking, the shit was rusted as fuck because it's just been fucking sitting out here. So now I don't just put some KY jelly in the holes and on the bolts so I can lube them up. So now what I have to do, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if you can see it. I gotta take this bolt out, and there's a bolt back here and a bolt back here. I have to take those out, and then the trailing arm will drop. And then once it drops, I'll get back to y'all. So I'm gonna try to set you up to where y'all can see it. Hopefully. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect the strut, possibly, so I can just drop fully. So it's just not. Hello? What the fuck? Camera's stupid. Okay, I don't know what the fuck going on there. Focus, bitch. Focus. Focus. Oh shit. Alright, look. Yeah, this shit was fucking blown. Like, fucking somebody just jacked off on it and just like, alright. What the fuck? Like, this is the problem. Like, look at that shit. That shit is fucking ass whooped. So yeah, that's why I say change both sides. Don't just change one side, change both sides. It's most definitely causing my problem. So yeah, shit's probably hot, but I got it out. So what I did, I heated it up right here. Oh, that shit's hot. Well, heated it up right there and then banged it in with this. Use that. So now what I'm finna do, use some sandpaper, clean out the inside surface, put that in there, and then should be good. So yeah, probably put y'all right here so y'all can watch me do this. Shouldn't take that long. Yeah, guess that'd be alright.
this is not hot. You got a girlfriend, should be pretty good at this. If you don't, I don't know what to say. But this one was kind of rough. Alright.
That should be good. Ooh, shit, that's hot. Alright. So, I'll take my bushing. Man, we could put it on the inside or you can put it on the bushing, it doesn't really matter. I'll probably just put it on the inside. Lube it up. Just all in there. Hopefully there's something in here. Yep. Take your finger. Take your finger. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Shit, that's hot as fuck. Alright. Put it on here. Probably too much, but oh well. Be alright. She ain't complaining. I think you're supposed to put anti-seize. Yeah, it should. Not fucking the other shit. Hey, it's in there. Alright, here we go. So, there it goes. It's in there. It's gonna come closer as soon as you tighten it up, you know. So now, just go back, do all your other shit that you did. Throw this bracket back on there. Put the bolt through it, put the bolts in the hole, make sure you line everything up. I gotta put my shock back on here. Oh, dumbass. What a dumbass. Don't rush through your work. Fuck. Make sure you install the bracket up, this side up, because I just did it the other way, like a dumbass.
Like butter, bitch. A little tap. Tap through. Put another one in, tighten this back up.